Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this rice and peas, and here is my peas. It has been soaking from overnight, and you can add some garlic to it and have that soaking from overnight. So soaking it overnight helps it to be a little bit more tender, and the peas is going to swell too, by the way. So I added the peas, the garlic, and some pimento seed as well. And I'm just going to allow this to cook for maybe like 40 minutes or so until the peas is soft. And I'm also going to change it to another pot. So yeah, here it is. I put it in another pot, and now I'm gonna test the peas. I don't know why I put it in that pot before. But yeah, look at the peas. You can tell that it is cooked, right? You see the garlic, you see the pimento seed, you see all the good stuff. So yeah, now I'm gonna check it just to show you a little something. So see, bam, the fork went right through it. So yeah, that's all we need. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. Nice up. You can't say rice and peas without coconut milk, you know. I also added the scallion and I chopped it up, and I added some ginger. I grated the ginger, right? You can use a bigger piece, like a whole piece if you want. And I added some thyme and some salt because we don't want it to be too fresh, right? So stir that up, and then we're going to allow this to come to a boil. So maybe like for about 20 minutes, right? And then, so in the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash my rice, get my rice nice and washity. I'm gonna use basmati rice. So yeah, 20 minutes. So yeah, right here, you want to make sure that you taste it too. When it boil up, the coconut milk and everything cook, please taste it. So here I'm adding my basmati rice. Add whatever rice you want to add, right? Do your thing. So now I'm adding it after I taste and everything good. Add it and bring the rice, bring it to a boil and allow it to dry out. Like all the liquid go out, right? So look at it, all the liquid is gone, right? And now we're going to stir it. So when we stir it, we're just ensuring that all the pieces, what is at the top, get to the bottom, get to middle, everything just go everywhere, and we're going to get them to cook some more. So maybe like 10-15 minutes. By the way, now low flame, low, before maybe medium, right? So yeah, give it a stir up everything. Looking good, nice little color. Love it. So we're gonna stir it up, get back everything nice and flat, and then we're gonna cover it. If your rice grain look tough like it really do already, put a piece of foil paper or plastic bag over it and then cover it down. But here it is, Vibes fam, all done. This is it, my nice pot of rice and peas, and it's basmati rice. So don't think the grains are tough. They are not tough, them cook. It's just the way that it looks. But thank you so much for watching. What would you have this with? If you say rice and peas, what you say with it? Chicken, pork? Let me know. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget the thumbs up and share. Thank you so much, and subscribe. God bless you.